Welcome to the world, baby girl, delivered via CS. Glimpse of our baby girl while waiting for mama to recover at the recovery room. Our baby is more active than she was before. Adorable baby. Amazed with the fish and life. Mama asked Dada to look after our baby, but I guess the baby was looking after Dada. Our baby girl is really nailing this photo shoot. Our kuya are still on the improvement process during this time. They're trying to sing her a song. So adorable. Strolling around the neighborhood, lucky to have Kuya, Razy, and Ram. Our baby girl's first steps. We are all excited. Our baby's first Christmas.
In this chapter, we are very happy to welcome our baby girl, showing you how loving, caring and affectionate are Kuya Razy and Ram. They might be still improving from their delayed speech, but they don't lack it, showing our little angel how loved and cared she is. We hope to see you again.